Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to connect to the internet on a Royal Caribbean cruise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to connect to the internet on a Royal Caribbean cruise. How do you actually go ahead and connect to it? Now, first things first, with Royal Caribbean, they have a free internet, which you can use to just text and use their app. And by texting, I mean I was only able to use iMessage. But then if you pay for Royal Caribbean internet, here's actually how to go ahead and connect to it. So I recently went on a cruise, and the first way is that on my iPad and my laptop, I had to go to login.com when I'm connected to the Royal Caribbean ship internet. So normally what will happen is that if you click on the Wi-Fi and click on the Royal Caribbean internet, you should see a on-screen prompt pop up so that you can type in the internet code. But if no code appears, then you want to go to this website called login.com when you're connected to the Royal Caribbean ship internet. That's for your laptop. Now for iPads and your mobile devices, it's a bit easier because once you're connected to the Royal Caribbean ship internet, all you've got to do is click on account or the bottom right-hand corner, and more apps should pop up, and one of those apps should say internet. So once you click on the internet app, just follow the on-screen prompts for putting in the 4-digit code after you bought the internet, and you should be connected. So I wish I was able to record this video on the ship, but I'm pretty sure this will be a question that some of you guys have. Again, 2 different ways. On your laptop, go connect to the ship internet first, and then type in login.com and follow the on-screen prompts. If you're connecting from a mobile device or iPad and you have the app, look for the application that says internet and click on it, and then follow the on-screen prompts from there. But I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.